everybody, so for my next puzzle I chose this one. That looks fun, it's quite colorful. I guess the green stuff, the green parts could be a bit tricky, but maybe not. So it is called White Life and it's from Clementoni. It is a 1000 piece puzzle, but actually the Clementoni panoramic puzzles do only have 990 pieces. So that's that. So let's do it. Okay, you guys, so this took me longer than I expected, to be honest, but it was the first puzzle after my vacation and I was very tired all the time. So it took a long while before I picked it up, and then I just did it very chilled and slow. And here we've got all the animals, and some of them look more like they should, and some of them look very strange, like this koala bear. I mean, is it a young one? Or I think he looks a little bit odd. And I think this giraffe looks like Yoda. So I saw some giraffes, and this is not what they look like. And the strangest thing is this panda with this tiger on his belly. So what is the tiger thinking? Why is he cuddling the panda bear? I think that's a little bit odd. And that's the puzzle. And if you like what you saw, you could hit the like button and that would support me, or you could consider to subscribe, then you won't miss any more funny animals. And that's it for today. Thank you very much, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.